Good morning everyone, day 2 in Milan, and today is very special because you see right here, this is the Guidomaggi showroom. So I've been wearing Guidomaggi shoes for over, 10, 15 years now, and it's always ordered online, shipped to my place. They originally from Italy, and since we're here, I contact the owner, Emmanuel himself. Too bad he's not here, but he's okay for us to film the showroom. So I can't wait to show you all the amazing shoes looks like. And it's really funny that as we're walking on the street here, I noticed that there's a lot of tour people walking through. So I thought this must be something famous. So I ChatGPT the address. Turns out this is a very most charming street in Milan, and has a lot of boutique artist work, luxury stuff, luxury brand here. And they are next to Caudalie skincare. I saw diptyque candles here. So it's very, very cute, almost like a Melrose. I would say that, almost like that. So we want to show you the street a little bit too, but of course we want to show you the showroom. And maybe we get some shoes today. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so if you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on notification bell so time of day I release my video. By the way, it is so cold in Milan right now, freezing. All right, let's get started this video. Alright, so once you go up to the second floor, there is Guidomaggi showroom in Milan. This is so pretty. Oh, I finally get to see all the amazing shoes here. Oh my god, look. Wait, let me just give you at a glance. You know, sad, I think I have quite a few shoes at home. Like I have the red one there. Yeah, let me show you a couple shoes here. Oh my god, I have this at home. And remember, you can customize with your name on here. Let's see how many shoes Steve has. The silver one's really nice right here. Okay. And there's some dress shoes here. So you can see that I'm wearing my Guidomaggi shoe today. So, and we're going to try a couple pair of shoes on today to see how it fits on me, stuff like that, because I want to get a full experience. And then they have a different leather here that you can see. Do you guys see anything you like? If you do, you can always go to their website and purchase them. That's a suede. Oh, I kind of like this, the suede. I feel I need a loafer. I need a loafer, like something like this. Like loafer. Yeah, so we're gonna try a couple shoes here. Now this is really pretty, but I don't really wear shoes like that anymore. He told me this is a fish skin. So I like this style because easy to wear. You don't have to put shoelace on. So we're gonna give it a try. This is so fancy. I should call Emmanuel that I need this. Let's see. I never really used that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's comfy. It's very comfortable. More comfy than this. Older shoes, right? Yeah. Older shoes. Wow. And they have a different style here. Can I see the black one, please? It's about the same height. It's about the same height. This is comfy. Oh, it's 40. Ah, okay. That's more loose. That's 42. That's 40. It's definitely tighter. But this is more comfortable. I like.
This is 42.
It's not heavy. Let me see. It's light. So they told me this is the maximum that they can go. How many is 15 centimeters? How many inches is that? Anyway, we're gonna put information on there. 15 centimeters is the highest you can go. That is really, really high. Is this 41? I feel like a Cinderella in here, you know, My size is 41. I never own a suede, a loafer style. Cool about it is that even if you buy online, you can custom make. You can custom make online too. Oh, this is comfy. Wrong color, but it's okay. Let's show you guys these shoes. I mean, definitely not the right color for the outfits, but it's comfy. I just love this style because it's just easy to slip on and you don't have to wear and give me some height. What's really honestly if you go to their website, I put information. You can also customize on the website. You can talk about how wide you want your feet shoes to be. They can be wider, it can be narrow. You can even select some material. How much height do you want? And I'll be honest with you, it is an elevator shoe. If you're going more than 3 inches, you are gonna feel like you're wearing a little bit like a high heel. But other than that, it's okay. And of course, they do have some, oh my God, this is so expensive. Some leather goods right here. This is probably shoe care things they have. So a lot of stuff they also sell online for accessory, handbag, but mainly it's for the shoes. Alright, so guys, we just finished, went to the showroom for Guidomaggi. Honestly, I don't realize it was showroom. I thought it was a store. Special thanks for Emmanuel for arranging this. And I really appreciate that. Too bad you're not here today, but next time. Associate is so nice. Even though he doesn't really speak English, he still tried to explain to us the history. And then until I show him my video, he's like, whoa, how many shoes do you have? Like a lot. Anyway, it's a really cool experience. So what I like about Guidomaggi, they're just not a elevator luxury shoe. It is a lot of history from 3 generations, from a grandpa to his dad and to himself right now, and continue to build a business. I really helped a lot of men, the shorter men, to be taller. Because, you know, we can't change what we're born with, right? I mean, that's just the way the DNA. But you can use accessory to make you to be a little bit taller. And let me tell you, just a little bit, few inches taller, and just better view. And you see better. The air is actually more fresh, believe it or not. I'm just kidding. But anyway, definitely build confidence. And yeah, so if you are somebody a little bit shorter and looking for luxury elevator shoes, and definitely it's something that you want to give a try. And yeah, like I said, I've been wearing their shoes for over 10 years now. So not to mention the store, that their showroom is located at one of the charming locations in Milan, and really cute. I love it here. Alright, so I hope you liked this video showing you Guidomaggi shoes experience. And yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about it. Do you want me to show you some of my favorite shoes from Guidomaggi? Leave a comment too, I can share that with you. I think I have over 10-15 pairs. And yeah, I actually threw it away few recently because I worn them really out. So anyway, make sure if you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on notification bell so that the time and day I release my video. See you next time.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.